this is Katie from New Acre Leisure. This is one of our frequently asked questions, so we thought we'd make a video to make it easier for everyone. Enjoy!
Hi guys, so we're going to show you how to look at your retracting cable if you've got to cut it off if the door's been jammed. So first thing to do is to turn off your retractable door with a switch here that says power door off. Okay, so that's now off, so it isn't going to zoom backwards and forwards. Then you can open the door a little bit here. Okay, so the door is held on here. It comes along the window through the mechanism there, with the bolts holding it in, and then it goes down inside the door here, around the spool, and then it comes back up again, back out again through here, and then you open the door, it gets anchored there. Okay, so there's the cable here. Okay, so if you can get the door open, you can snip it off there, or you can flick this little piece off here that's on that bracket, and that will get this end of it loose. But if you're going to leave it and bring it to us to get it fixed, then you need to snip that off, because obviously moving backwards and forwards, it's going to damage the paintwork. So generally when they're jammed, you can open them, and you've got to force them a little bit back by pulling on here and pushing there, and then pull it open to about there. Okay, that will cause this cable that you see here to be slack, and you can hook hold of it, or we use a little dental tool like this to hook hold of the cable and pull it down, and then get some snippers on there and snip that off as close to the hinge as possible. Okay, and then that will have you a loose piece of cable down here, and then we'll snip it off as close to the body as possible. That enables you to then open the door the whole way, and then in here you can get in at the other end of the cable and snip that off. Once it's snipped off, it will then drop down. This length of cable will drop down at the back, and you'll have a length of cable here hanging out of the hinge, which you can get hold of, and then snip that off. Okay, anywhere that you're going to do any cutting with side cutters, put some masking tape on the paintwork. Best to use the blue tape, which is not very sticky, just in case you pull any paint off if you've got any loose paint on your car. Okay.
Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.